Hi, I don't know if you can't tell, but I am recording this video at the same time I recorded last time's video, which is my Naruto soap. Yay! Hi there, welcome to Oasis Scents. My name is Ali. I am the soap maker here, as well as the brains and the everything behind this business, except for the moral support and emotional support that Byron, my partner, gives me through doing some art designs for us and other stuff. He is the brains as well of this company. Byron suggests a lot of cool things. That's where a lot of cool ideas come from, not just from my brain, and also my parents, and I'm rambling. Oasis Scents is a bookish, nerdy, inspired soap and candle thing. I make nerdy soap and candle as well as some other products, I released some last month. We'll talk about it when I show you a video of how I make it. Anyway, this video today is how I made my Sakura soap. This soap was originally meant to be based on Sakura from Naruto, but because I got the wrong mold, the mold I originally bought never showed up. Don't know where it went. Asked for a refund, still haven't got anything. But because I ended up having to buy a different one, it was a bit big. I had to improvise, so I ended up just making this a general Sakura soap. Overload, the convention I'm selling this is in spring, which is when the cherry blossoms blossom in Japan, even though it's the opposite time of the year in Japan because I'm in New Zealand. But I thought it was the perfect sort of soap because I'm selling this at an anime, Japanese inspired convention, and I love Japanese inspired things. It's one of my favourite places in the world, Japan. So this is my Sakura soap. It is done with a hanger swirl, which was different. I mostly do drop swirls if you know anything about soap, which I'm guessing you probably do if you're watching this video. Anyway, let's get on in with the video. If you need any more information, it'll be left down below. If you want to know where I got this mold from, I will also leave it down below because I got it from Etsy. Otherwise, yes, enjoy this video. So let's just mix our lye and oils together. Same recipe as always. I'm going to split my batch into 3 colours today. I have titanium dioxide mixed with some oil in this one. I have titanium dioxide mixed with lava red from Micah Your World in this one. And then in the last one, we're just going to go straight lava from Micah Your World. And we're going to make it really red. We're going to mix those all up. And the fragrance oil I'm using today is Cherry Blossom from Candle Creations, I think. And this one is just going to be like a, hopefully maybe drop swirl. I'm not sure how much my batter has accelerated. I am soaping a little bit hotter than usual because I just want to get this over and done with, so I wasn't as patient with my lye and oils as I normally am, but it's okay. I can still work with it. It's just not going to be exactly what I was after. Well, it will, but you know what I mean. This fragrance oil so far seems to be behaving, which is good for me. The colours mixed in there, so I might actually end up doing a hanger swirl with the way that this mixture is shaping up. It might be easier for me. Cool, so that's the base of it. So now I'm just going to grab my scraping tool, which is my spatula, and I'm just going to spoon the rest of this mixture in. And if you do want to see what products I have my Etsy, which is linked down below, and I also have my Instagram for Oasis Scents, which will be linked down below as well, where I post, and I do post quite far in advance when things are coming out, because I don't do monthly releases. I do event releases, so I don't tend to stock new products unless I've got an event coming up. So yes, I'm just going to go quickly grab my hanger tool and we're going to do some swirls. I've cleaned up a little bit and now I have my embeds here, and I'm just going to place them kind of like they're sticking out of the soap. I don't have an exact plan, but I do know that I make 9 bars, so if I spread it out as if there was 9 bars, it should be good. This mold wasn't exactly what I wanted, but I searched and I searched and I found one, but it never arrived, and I emailed the people and they never got back to me. So it was only $4, so I'm not like heartbroken that I lost that money, but it's like annoying that I finally found a mold that was Sakura flowers, petals should I say, and the mold never arrives, so I'm stuck with these gigantic ones, which aren't terrible, but they're not, you know, when you've got an idea in mind you want it to come out perfect. So I'm just going to stick these extra little ones in. Oh, that one's gone a bit haywire. And I'll give you a quick close-up and then we will skip to the cutting, which will happen tomorrow.